Howdy YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Gunman. So I've got 7 minutes left on this this GoPro, so let's get straight into it. Yeah, we're clear coat on this, finishing off this job here. A Nissan Patrol, full respray, bare metal. I've done a video on most of the rest of the car, so I thought we may as well just finish it off. It's a pretty hot day today. It's about 30 degrees ambient temperature. Man, I tell you what, this gun is a freaking beast. Smash the first coat on thin at high pressure. Lower the pressure on the second coat and pump it on. Pump it, baby, pump it. I'm going to give that a couple of minutes between coats, so hold that thought. Alright, so it really hasn't been long in between coats, and it doesn't have to be. It's a really hot day. It literally has been about 2 minutes. So like I said before, I will turn that pressure down. Aim for around 2 bar. I think I was closer to maybe 2.2 on the body, on the vertical panels, but these are the more horizontal panels. Well, the tailgate actually isn't really. That's another vertical panel. So you may have noticed on the first coat, I didn't even put any clear on the edges. That's just to basically stop the edge from overloading and building a bridge sort of between the masking and the edge. This one is looking good, man. Very clean. The rest of the car came up just as good. I agree with one of the people in the comments. This is probably the only gun anyone would ever need. When it's simply just a need-based thing, this is all you ever need. A&I black. Have a couple of these, one for base, one for clear, one for wet on wet. It's all you would ever need. Yeah, we all like new shiny things, but man, they're a half the price of the big guns. Probably a third of the price of a starter, and just as good. Just as good. Like there is no facet that it's missing out on. It's got the quality, they look cool, they perform. Like what else do you need out of a spray gun than that? Like man, there is nothing in that job too. That is wicked. Like one or two nibs. I can see one there. Super clean with that one visit, man. PPG, I love it. I've been called a PPG hater. I don't hate anything. It's not the kind of person that I am. In fact, I love it. I love... We've got 37 seconds left on the camera, so we better get to it. And I'm going to take this camera home tonight and upload all the footage. We just made it. 21, 20, 19. The countdown. How good is that freaking finish though, guys? That is so good. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You're done.